Let's have a look. We'll do the pink one, I think. Righty-ho, so let's start. What you need, oops, a straight edge, of course. You pin that down. I need the burner. Right, I'm going to pin that down and glue it. Like that. And then fold that in. Oops. Like that. So we've gone from corner down, made a straight line, and then we've folded that in half again. And then you fold that back, if I remember rightly. Yeah. Fold that back and roll. That's it. Sorry, I nearly had it wrong then. You can stitch these, but I'm going to use the glue. Fold once, there's your centre. Fold it back and roll. Then glue it. Okay. So you've got that. Fold it back and roll. Fold back and roll. Keep your eye on your flower, that you get in the shape you want. Because you should end up with a little tail that you can hold. So I've rolled it, folded it, rolled. Again, roll it. Fold it and roll it again. Fold it and roll it. Now you can start to grip hold of the rose itself. You start to feel it in your fingers that you know you can do it. Right, I'm just going to cut this ribbon. Right, fold, sorry, roll it. Let me just make sure my glue gun's on. The lead was coming off. Fold and roll. Fold and roll and glue it. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue in there, see where it's not stuck, and that's all you do. Excuse me. And you end up with a flat rose, and then that will go on any project. Like that. And you can get them really big sometimes. So I could continue if I wanted to. Oh, glue strands, glue strands. It's not that, it's when they feel like they're crawling over your skin, that's what I don't like. I know how to get rid of them. I just don't like that feeling that they're all over your skin. Let me just see, I think we'll put this in a flower. Oh. Pop that in the middle. And look at that, that's gorgeous. Let me put my thread over there. Right, just take this out. Oops. Like that. Isn't that lovely? Just by rolling a little bit of trim. You can do all sorts with them. I could mix these leaves with them just to give it that bit of a contrast. So I might just do that actually. Yeah, I like that. Should have done it before I put that on, but never mind. It's really doesn't matter. Just pop that on there. One on there. Pop that down. Oops. And I'm just going to use another felt, bit of felt. Where's my felt? Need a bigger piece than that. Oh, I've got a bit of foam here. That'll do. A little bit of foam will do. Same. It doesn't matter. Like that. And we'll get a nice stick pin, and they match, look. Now I think that needs to be taken down a little bit, it's too long and I don't want to have an accident. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the end and poke that in there. Sit that right in there. Oops. Push that back up. I might need to lean that on that leaf. Oh, that's fine. Like that. I don't know. It's a little bit too big. Let me just change that. Let me just change it. I still find it's too big, but I'll still need it on there. So what I'm going to do is take this lot off. Oh, if I can get it off. Yeah, this is the one that's too big, you see. So I'll just alter it to one that's not. Let me just get a stick pin. Oh, there we go. There's one. Hang on. This was a little bit bent, but I've bent it back. So I'm going to do the original one as it was, then the pearl, then the bead bead spacer, back through the pearl. I'll take that one off, put that one back on. Nope, don't like that either. Just do that. That's it, that'll do. Sometimes you can make stick pins and they're over the top. And it does spoil the look of them, but I'm going to be able to stick this back in here. Like that. And I will pin that back. to the back of that leaf, to the front of the leaf. And that's it. That's much better. Much better. And I like that. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care and I shall speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.